Section 3 Chapter 3 The United States Unsecure Supply Chain Risks a Future Failed Pandemic Response. The COVID-19 pandemic didn't just impact our health, it revealed a critical weakness in America's supply chain. The global system we relied on, particularly for medical supplies and pharmaceuticals, was far more fragile than we realized. For years, the United States has depended heavily on other countries, especially China, for the manufacture of essential medicines and their ingredients. This over-reliance became a serious national security risk during the pandemic. When the virus spread, supply chains were severely disrupted. Demand for everything from consumer goods to medical equipment skyrocketed. Ports were congested, and the US found itself struggling to secure the supplies it needed. The medical and pharmaceutical industries were particularly vulnerable. However, the crisis also highlighted the American spirit of innovation. Companies quickly adapted, with General Motors producing ventilators, Bacardi shifting to hand sanitizer, and Burton making face shields. These examples showed that rapid change is possible, but a defined plan of action is needed for flawless execution. Several key issues need to be addressed to secure America's supply chain. First, companies need to communicate more efficiently with the FDA about supply chain issues. Second, labels on drugs should be required to list the original manufacturer of the product and its ingredients. Currently, that is not a requirement. Third, medical device manufacturers are not required to alert the FDA about supply chain disruptions. The pandemic made it clear that the US must reduce its reliance on other countries, particularly China, for pharmaceuticals and medical supplies. By increasing domestic production and diversifying supply chains, America can avoid being cut off during future crises. The goal is to create a more resilient and secure system, protecting the health and safety of all Americans. Get the full story. Understand the hidden forces at play. Order the book now at the link below.